Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create AI images and photos using Gemini AI. So let us guide you through it. Head over to Gemini or gemini.google.com, log into your account of your Google account of course, and start a new chat by clicking into this button in the top left corner or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O. Or alternatively guys, you may also continue with one of your previous conversations you have had with Gemini if you like. So as you can see, I asked Gemini AI to create such an image here of that Shiba Inu dog. So let me start all over and show you how you can do this. So let me copy that prompt here and start a new chat and enter my prompt here. But this time, let us add a few changes. Create a photorealistic style image. Let's say with a ninja bandana or something like that, in front, not of the Eiffel Tower, but of the Statue of Liberty, something like that. And let us also add the information black and white. So make sure that you provide as much information as possible within your prompt to get the possible or best result possible after that. And yeah, simply press enter on your keyboard and let Gemini AI do its magic for you. Give it a brief moment. Generating image. And there you go. As you can see, that's the image or photo the artificial intelligence has created. Now guys, you can, for example, give the artificial intelligence the command, for example, to refine it, to add more changes. You can, of course, rate it here below as good or as bad. Ask it to redo it, for example, if you're not content with the result, or simply change your prompt a bit. So yeah, play around a bit with your prompt, try to find the best one possible. And once that's done, guys, simply right click into the given image, or you may click into, right click into it and save it, for example, on your device, or click into this button if you'd like to use it, for example, on your, I don't know, as a wallpaper on your computer, for instance, or something like that. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.